Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza instantly. To achieve truly instant pizza, we're focusing on speed and convenience. This isn't about making dough from scratch, but rather assembling a delicious meal in mere minutes. We'll explore the essential components that make this possible, ensuring you can enjoy a hot, fresh pizza without the usual wait. Get ready to transform your quick meal ideas. For truly instant pizza, your ingredient choices are crucial. Begin with a pre-baked crust, like a pita or naan bread, which eliminates dough preparation. Next, grab a jar of your favorite pizza sauce, no need for simmering. Pre-shredded mozzarella cheese is a time saver, melting perfectly. Finally, add any pre-cooked toppings you love, such as pepperoni or cooked chicken, to keep things moving fast. Assembling your instant pizza is incredibly fast. First, spread about 1/4 cup of your chosen sauce evenly across the pre-baked crust. Next, generously sprinkle 1 cup of pre-shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Then, arrange your favorite pre-cooked toppings. Finally, bake your pizza in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for just 8 to 10 minutes, until the cheese is bubbly and golden. The beauty of instant pizza is its versatility. Feel free to customize with any quick toppings you enjoy, from sliced olives to a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. For an extra touch, add fresh basil leaves right after baking. Remember, instant pizza is best enjoyed hot and fresh, so serve it immediately. This method is perfect for those busy evenings when you need a delicious meal in a flash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.